Picture this. You're earning $1 every 30 seconds just by watching videos. While this might not make you a millionaire overnight, it's an easy way to boost your income during your downtime. Let's explore one of the best platforms out there for turning your YouTube watching into cold, hard cash. Step 1. Setting up a YouTube account. First things first, you need to ensure you have a YouTube account. If you don't have one yet, it's super simple to set up. Just head over to youtube.com, click Sign in the top right corner, then select Create Account for yourself. Fill in your basic details and voila, you're ready to go. This is a crucial step because you'll need this account to complete the tasks on our chosen platform. Step 2. Choosing your payment method. Before you start earning, think about how you want to get paid. The platform we're using offers several payment options, including PayPal, Litecoin, ATM, and Skrill. PayPal is usually recommended for its ease of use and global availability. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can create one quickly by visiting paypal.com, signing up with your email, and linking your bank account or card. This ensures your earnings will be accessible whenever you're ready to cash out. Now, let's get into the meat of this method, Sprout Gigs. This is the platform where you'll be doing your video watching and earning money. Sprout Gigs connects freelancers with small, easy-to-complete tasks, and one of those tasks is watching YouTube videos. What makes Sprout Gigs stand out? It's available globally, making it accessible no matter where you are. Plus, you can work in your spare time with no special skills required. Just sign up, start watching, and earn. Step 4. How to get started on Sprout Gigs. Getting started on Sprout Gigs is a breeze. Visit sproutgigs.com, click on Freelance and Earn, then hit Sign Up. Fill in your details like your name, email, and country, and you're good to go. Once your account is set up, you can log in and find video watching jobs by selecting video marketing from the job category dropdown. It's that simple. Step 5. So how do these video watching jobs work? Typically, you'll need to search for specific keywords on YouTube, find a particular video, watch it for a set amount of time, and maybe give it a like. Just a tip, you can mute the video and let it play in the background while you do other things, but make sure not to skip any parts or you won't get paid. Step 6. Maximizing your earnings with other tasks. One of the best things about Sprout Gigs is that it offers more than just video watching. You can take on other microtasks like liking Facebook posts, clicking on links, or signing up for platforms. These tasks are quick and easy, helping you rack up earnings faster. Step 7. Pros and cons of using Sprout Gigs. Let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's super easy to get started. You can work whenever you want, and it's available globally. On the downside, the income is supplemental. It's not going to replace your full-time job. Tasks can also be repetitive, and the earnings per task are relatively low, so you'll need to complete many to see significant income. Step 8. Payment and withdrawals. When it comes to getting paid, Sprout Gigs offers various payment options. Just be aware of the minimum withdrawal amounts and verify your account to avoid any issues. Consistency is key here. Set realistic income goals and keep track of your earnings to stay motivated. Conclusion. Watching YouTube videos for money won't make you rich overnight, but it's a legit way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Sprout Gigs is an excellent platform for this, offering a simple way to turn your free time into productive money-making sessions. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing to Introvert Pal for more tips on how to make money online. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.